everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video we're making this easy, crowd-pleasing strawberry sheet cake that's perfect for any get-together this summer. Now be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video so you don't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. For the cake, 1 vanilla cake mix, 3 eggs, 2 egg yolks, 2/3 cup of sour cream, 1/3 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. For the strawberry sauce, 2 pounds of strawberries, 2/3 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And to make the topping, you'll need 16 ounces of whipped topping, 16 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Start by adding the 3 eggs plus 2 egg yolks to the bowl of a stand mixer. Sprinkle the vanilla cake mix over the eggs. Next, add 1/2 cup of melted butter to the mixture, followed by 1/3 cup of milk and 2/3 cup of sour cream. Beat the batter together for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is light and fluffy. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. Spray a half sheet pan that is 18 inches by 13 inches with nonstick spray, then spread the cake batter evenly. Bake the cake at 350 degrees for 17 to 20 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is still warm, spray the handle of a wooden spoon with nonstick spray and gently poke holes all over the top of the cake. Pour both cans of sweetened condensed milk over the cake, making sure to cover the holes with liquid. Set aside. To make the strawberry sauce, begin by washing and slicing 2 pounds of strawberries. I used this fun slicer from Amazon that was fun and easy to use. You can check out the link to this slicer in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Once the strawberries are sliced, add them to a large saucepan along with 2/3 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Reduce the heat and simmer over medium for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally to break up the strawberries. Once cooked, spoon the strawberry mixture over the cake. Place the cake in the refrigerator until it is fully cooled. For the topping, mix 16 ounces of softened cream cheese in a mixing bowl and add 2 cups of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. When the mixture is smooth, gently fold in the whipped topping. Spread the cream cheese and Cool Whip over the cooled cake and refrigerate again for at least 30 minutes before cutting and serving. I hope you love this deliciously moist cake as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at mommymouseclubhouse.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.